Hi guys, today I will be sharing my Myntra haul with you. So if you want to watch that, please stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and those of you who are watching me for the first time, and my name is Tanvi and I love creating content related to fashion and beauty, makeup, anything that I like I create for you guys. And I know that you guys love watching hauls, so that I will begin the haul. So it's a Myntra haul, and in this haul I have added dresses and tops only. Like, there is no bottom wear in this particular haul. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. So I will begin by showing you the items which I bought. So first one is this top. I guess I wore this top in one of the videos as well, but for the sake of this video I thought that I will wear this again. So I absolutely love this top. It's like black and white. एक पूरे हॉल में एक ब्लैक एंड वाइट टॉप तो बनता ही है ना, और पोल्का डॉट्स तो यू नो आई लव पोल्का डॉट टॉप्स. And especially the best thing I loved about this top is this bazu. Like, can you see the flare? यहाँ तक तो ये पूरा फिट है, उसके बाद यहाँ पे ये थोड़ा सा फ्रिल आता है. तो I love this and it comes till your belly and like परफेक्ट है एकदम. एंड इट्स नॉट सी थ्रू एट ऑल. आपको मतलब बिल्कुल भी वो सी थ्रू वाला प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. कपड़ा भी बिल्कुल भी इचिंग नहीं है. लाइक वंस यू आर वेयरिंग यू विल नॉट फील इची एट ऑल. इट्स एक्सट्रीमली कंफर्टेबल फॉर द समर्स एज वेल, एंड इफ यू वांट टू लाइक वेयर इट इन विंटर्स यू कैन डू दैट एज वेल. मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट आइटम. So my second top for this Myntra haul is this blue top. I didn't like this top that much, but again like I bought it, so I don't know like should I keep it or not. Like, you guys suggest me. Like, it's full sleeves. What the thing is, like this top, it comes like here till here and then it flares from that bottom. So this particular style doesn't flatter my body, like my body type. It's like I am apple shaped body type, so this doesn't flatter my body type. But again, it's a beautiful top, but my problem is it doesn't suit me. And with the sleeve you will get this over here, you see. So you can just, and then you can tie this. I will like add the pictures like to show you how it's looking on me. And at the bottom it has this red pom-pom kind of things. So yeah, like you guys let me know. Third top is this red and white colored top. It's very like loose, very breezy. Again, this top also I wore in one of the videos and I absolutely love this top. It's so cool, it's so breezy, perfect for the summer time. Like, you will not feel sweaty, or like it will not stick to your body and give you that itchy kind of feeling. And like again, for me, like I check the sleeve pattern a lot. Like, that is a huge deal for me. So for this also, like, this is the sleeve pattern. I absolutely love it, and this is how it looks. Yeah, so I have not even worn this clothes, so I just got the package and I thought that I will share it with you guys. And my fourth top is also red in color. Again, like I will add every photograph over here in the side, I guess. And again, prices and my size will be in the description box. And if you guys are not following me on Instagram, then make sure that I will post all the pictures over there. Like, so make sure that you are following me on Instagram. And moving on to the next top. This top is this red color top. You guys know that I love red color. Like, it's like dearest to me. I know I love red color, and मेरे हॉल में कोई रेड कलर का ड्रेस का कपड़ा ना हो तो वो हॉल ही नहीं है ना. तो this is how this top looks like. थोड़ा सा लंबा है, and for this again sleeve pattern. This is like, ये बीच में ये कट है और दोनों साइड पे आपको ये वाइट कलर के पॉम पॉम्स मिलेंगे. एंड अगेन आगे भी ये छोटा सा वी है, एंड देन ये टैसल है इसके अंदर. द टैसल इज सो ब्यूटिफुल. कैन यू गाइज सी? So yeah, like it's not deep. Like if you guys are concerned about deep necks and all, like none of these tops are deep. If you guys are looking to shop something, then you guys can definitely check these out. So moving on to the dresses part of the haul. So I have kept, like I bought 4 dresses for this, like yeah, 4 dresses. Sometimes I do 5 and so yeah, 4 dresses for this haul. Let me begin by showing you this blue colored top. Sorry, dress. Yeah, so this is the blue colored top. So the thing is, like this is a very unique pattern. मतलब मैं अगर ऐसे आप लोगों को दिखाऊंगी तो आप लोगों को शायद समझ भी नहीं आएगा. Like it is kind of a halter neck dress. Like I never wear something like this, so I bought this to come out of my comfort zone, and I absolutely loved it. Like it looks so beautiful. And then again, you guys let me know how this dress looks on me, because like अपने ऊपर तो सबको सब कुछ ही अच्छा लगता है ना. तो yeah, so this is like the front pattern is like this. Let me show you. Then it's not a short dress. It's like come till your knees, so it's not that short. So like this, it's a solid color dress, blue color. It's a beautiful color, not see-through, extremely comfortable party wear dress. Like if like अभी तो हम लोगों को कहीं जाना नहीं है, but still if you want to stay at home and अगर किसी को वीडियोस वगैरह बनाना है तो आप लोग ये ड्रेस पहन के बहुत अच्छे से वीडियो बना सकते हैं. You will look fab. Like it will give a very nice and Instagram pictures तो इसके बहुत अच्छे आने वाले हैं. Exactly as I said कि if you guys are not following me on Instagram, then you guys can check out my profile. So yeah, moving on to the second dress, like you guys were able to see from here. So my second dress is this yellow and blue color dress. It's a cut sleeves dress. So like you guys, if you guys are following me on Instagram or here, that you guys will be knowing that I am obsessed with yellow color lately. I absolutely loved it. I think it's so bright and it looks fabulous, and इससे pictures भी बहुत amazing आते हैं. So the like again for this dress, it's extremely comfortable. Like बहुत normal simple सा casual dress है. You can, like if you guys are going to office and you guys are not going out, so this dress will solve so many purpose. You can wear this dress to the office, and if you guys are like going for a brunch, small brunch, or if you guys are having some video calls or something and you still want to look presentable in front of the call, so yes, you guys can definitely go with this. And again आगे इसके आगे ये थोड़ा सा ये ऐसा इसका नेक का पैटर्न है. अगेन लाइक आई एम एडिंग द पिक्चर्स लाइक व्हाइल आई एम वेयरिंग दिस. सो यस, लाइक इट्स कट स्लीव्स. आई एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस ड्रेस. अगेन ये भी बिल्कुल भी आपको समझ में इची नहीं लगेगा. एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग क्लॉथ क्वालिटी. सो मूविंग ऑन टू द थर्ड ड्रेस. ये ड्रेस मेरा लाइक इस हॉल का सबसे बेस्ट ड्रेस रहा है, एंड आई एब्सोल्युटली फेल इन लव विद द स्टाइल. मैं ऐसे ड्रेसेस नहीं पहनती हूँ. लाइक व्हाट द थिंग इज, लाइक दिस इज अ लेपर्ड प्रिंट. सो आजकल लेपर्ड प्रिंट यू गाइज नो दैट इट्स वेरी मच इन. सो आई बॉट दिस, लाइक दिस फ्लेयर्स at the top. Like let me begin by showing you from the top. So how, okay, let me come bit closer to you. So this is how the pattern is. Like यहाँ से एक डोरी जाता है. So this is attached. So आपका एक साइड पे ऐसे ये एक डोरी रहेगा, and on the other side again that you have to take from here and then you have to tie here. And ये भी स्लीवलेस टॉप है. लाइक आई लव वेयरिंग स्लीवलेस थिंग्स दैट यू गाइज ऑलरेडी नो. एंड देन अगेन ये नीचे ऐसे इसका 2 टाइप का पैटर्न है. लाइक अगेन you guys can see in the picture. So I absolutely love this dress. I fell in love with this. Like I was thinking should I return it or not, but once I wore it, so I was like ये तो मैं बिल्कुल भी रिटर्न नहीं करने वाली हूँ. लाइक दिस लुक्स फैबुलस, अमेजिंग. ट्रांसपेरेंट नहीं है. यू डोंट हैव टू लाइक वरी के लाइक इट्स ट्रांसपेरेंट सो यू हैव टू वेयर समथिंग. नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. इट्स एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग. यू गाइज कैन डेफिनेटली check this dress out. Like I I love this one. So the last dress of this haul is this yellow color again. Like, you know, I'm obsessed with the like beautiful color dresses, because like I love like getting, you know, keeping colors in my dresses, because like I absolutely, मुझे बहुत सारे फोटोज भी लेने होते हैं इंस्टाग्राम के लिए और वीडियोस भी शूट करनी होती है, तो आई जनरली प्रेफर लाइक फॉर ब्राइट कलर ड्रेसेस और टॉप्स. So yeah, this is the top and इसका cold shoulder का pattern है. So I have a similar dress like top like this cold shoulder type का, वो बिल्कुल proper yellow color है, and this is mustard in color and it is a floral print dress. So इसके ऊपर पूरा floral print है, extremely pretty है. None of the dresses are transparent. It's a maxi dress. It's till the it till your feet. Sorry. Yeah, so it's a maxi dress, absolutely stunning. It fits me perfectly, एकदम snuggle हो जाता है अच्छा सा, and like gives a very fine and like, you know, good feel to you. And you can wear it to office if you are going outside for just a small lunch, dinner, anything. Like, just don't go out right now anywhere, but if you guys are going to office, that is necessary, I understand. So yes, if you guys are looking for some good summer clothes, then you can definitely check this out. So guys, one more dress is there. I don't know, I forgot, like I kept it in the side and I forgot. I like in this haul I am adding 5 dresses. So my next dress is also a maxi dress. It's also a floral print dress, again colorful vibrant dress. Like, as you guys know, I love these kind of dresses. So it's a very simple basic dress जो हर कोई पहन सकता है. And like it's not see through, extremely comfortable for summer season. And इसके साथ एक बेल्ट भी मिलता है आपको, जो you can tie it at the back or in the front or side, like what howsoever it suits you. एंड ये कट स्लीव्स है एंड इसके ऊपर छोटे छोटे से बड़े प्यारे, कुछ बड़े हैं कुछ छोटे हैं, लाइक पिंक कलर के फ्लावर्स बने हुए हैं. इफ यू गाइज कैन सी, आई विल एड द पिक्चर्स अगेन हियर. सो दिस इज इट गाइज. आई लाइक दीज आर द टॉप्स एंड ड्रेसेस. like I wanted to dedicate this haul particularly to the top wear. So guys, let me know what do you think about it, if you like the dresses and if you like the tops. And again, like if you guys are not following me on Instagram, just make sure like you just take out some time and check out my profile, because I post lots of pictures. I guess इसमें से कई चीज़ों का ड्रेस पिक्चर्स तो शायद मैंने ऑलरेडी पोस्ट भी कर दिया होगा. सो येस, चेक इट आउट. इफ यू गाइज लाइक इट, लेट मी नो. एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल if you have not done that already. Please guys, like, comment and share it with your friends if you like it. And yeah, let me know in the comment section like how did you like the haul and if you want me to make more hauls. So yeah, with that I will sign off. Bye, take care. I will see you in my next one.